Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Smoky Oak is proud to announce a new scent cover that they just came out with. Guaranteed to beat all the other scent covers and leave them way far behind, and you will always have the perfect hunt. Yes, the new scent cover is Buzzard Crap. Buzzard Scent Crap Cover by Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Cover all your hunting materials in buzzard crap and you will have the perfect hunting scent cover known to mankind. There you go. They will never expect you're sitting in the bush when you're covered in buzzard crap. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products.